Hello beautiful viewers, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this video I will be teaching you how to buy Wiki Cat as a novice. In fact, this video is going to cover how to download Binance. After downloading Binance, you set it up, and how to fund your USDT with your Naira by doing P2P transactions and then sending it to your decentralized trust wallet, and eventually purchasing your Wiki Cat. So this video is going to be lengthy, but it is very educating, and it's important that you pay attention and learn also. Right, so to proceed, what you need to do is to click on the App Store, or if you use an Android device, you want to head over to Google Store. So when you click the App Store, you search for Binance, and then you download the Binance. Please do make sure that the Binance you are downloading is the correct one with adequate rating, and I haven't downloaded it. You click on Open. Now this will launch the Binance app for you, which you will give some time to load up, and once it loads up, you should see the data of BNB, BTC just as displayed like this on the screen. Now, since we would like to perform a P2P transaction to fund our account with BNB, which we use to buy our coins on PancakeSwap, we just head over to wallets down below there, and then we move to funding. Now when you are in funding, I already have $100 here, but just in case you want to buy USDT or BNB with your Naira account, you just click on P2P, and then having clicked on P2P, you click on buy USDT, and then you put the amount, let's say 5,000 Naira. You confirm, and then click on bank transfer and confirm this. Now you select a vendor with good trades and a completion rate, for example pay 6, and then I click on buy, and then when it loads up, you click on the amount you'd like to buy, let's say 5,000 Naira, and then you click on buy USDT. Now since I'm not interested in buying for now, I'll not proceed with this, but if you want to buy, this is what you do, and then you click on the buy USDT and follow all the prompts, transfer the funds, and allow the person to release the USDT to your wallet. Now, having received the USDT, what you would do is to transfer it from your funding to spot, and then you do it like clicking on transfer, wait for it to load up, and move it from funding to spot, and then you select this BTC, change it to USDT, and then you put whatever amount, be it $10, and then you confirm the transfer. Once it has been transferred to your spot, you click on markets down below, and then you are going to search for BNB. Now when you search for BNB/USDT, you select it, and then you click on buy, and then you want to buy the market price, and then you select $10, and then you click buy BNB. Order created, and you go back to your wallet and make sure that BNB is available there just like this. So we have bought $10 worth of BNB, 0.032 BNB, and we are ready to transfer this to our trust wallet for us to be able to buy our Wiki Cat or Defi Tiger token. So what we need to do is to just head over to our trust wallet, and we need to just copy our BNB smart chain, click on receive, and then copy, and then we move back to Binance and click on withdraw, send via crypto network, and then we click all the prompts, paste the wallet address up here, select the network to be BEP20 smart chain, and click on max because I think we want to send out everything, and then click on withdraw. Now you confirm. If you're okay with all of the parameters, you click on confirm. There will be a risk warning where you can verify. Now just in case you are greeted with a scam alert like this, all you just need to do is to check all the box that you understand everything, and click next. You answer all of these questions that Binance is asking you. So what is the relationship between you and the fund recipient? You can just say that it is I'm sending the funds to myself. Next, you confirm. Now you click on withdraw again and confirm that, and then it will pop up for you to put your OTPs. So I just get verification codes from my phone number and from my email. So after you must have put all of your OTPs, you just click on the confirm, and then it will tell you withdrawal processing. And like this, you have successfully transferred out your BNB to the Trust wallet that you copied. So just for us to be sure, we are going to head over to the Trust wallet and confirm if our BNB has arrived. Yes, so you can see we now have $10 worth of BNB sitting in our Trust wallet. So now we are able to proceed to swapping BNB for Wiki Cat or Defi Tiger token. Alright, so to proceed to swap your BNB for Wiki Cat, you might need to add the Wiki Cat to your home screen. If it doesn't display like this for you, no need to worry. You can just click on add tokens, search for WKC, and then you toggle it on like this, and then you click done. When you are done with all of that, you go to your browser. For me, I use PoolCoin, so you just select your PoolCoin, wait for it to load up. In your case, it will be logged out, so what you need to do is click connect, select MetaMask/Trust wallet, and the next thing you want to do is to paste the contract address here, or simply type WKC, and it should display with the correct logo, and then you select it. Now, having selected it, you need to cross-check and be sure that all of this information matches the original WKC, and then if you are satisfied, you click on trade. Now, I want to swap my BNB for WKC, so let's take, for example, I want to swap 0.01, and my slippage, because WKC is 2% slippage, so I just want to set 5 for enough room in case of price impact. So if everything is okay, you just click on the swap button here, and the smart call will pop up, and then you just confirm the smart call, put in your password or Face ID, and wait for it to swap. Now once it's swapped, you'll see it like this, and your WKC balance will improve. So I have 98 million WKC there. So we just go back. We just go back to our home page, and then we refresh. Now you see, as we have refreshed this, my WKC is now visible. I have $2 worth of WKC here, and you can see my BNB has gone down. So this is how you swap using BNB for WKC. However, if you have BUSD and it's also BEP20, you can do the same process to swap for Wiki Cat. Now let's say you also want to do the same process for DTG Defi Tiger. You would like to add it to your home screen also. You click on add tokens, and then you search for DTG, and it will pop up just like this, and then you toggle it on, select done, and then you head over to your browser, go to the same PoolCoin, wait for it to load up, and then what you want to do is to search DTG, wait for it to pop up. You make sure it's the correct contract address. Always go and cross-check all of the details here and be sure that you are interacting with the right DeFi Tiger. And then what you want to do is to head over to trade, and the same thing we did for WKC, we'll do the same 0.0.1, and this time around WKC's slippage is not the same with DTG, so I'll increase this to about 10 to give it enough room, and then I click on swap. The smart code will come out, and then I confirm it, input my password or Face ID, and wait for the swap. Now the swap is confirmed as my balance has just increased, and I just X this and go back home, refresh it, and voila, you can see I've spent $2 each for the both tokens, and they appear here in my Trust wallet. However, you can also use your BUSD to do the same thing if you do not have BNB. But because it is BEP20, you must have a little bit of smart chain for all your transactions to be confirmed. So if this video was helpful, please do well to leave a review and let us know where we need to improve and help you in your crypto journey to be safe and well educated. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.